You ready?
Here's Max Boy. What's Max Boy?
Get it! Don't point it at me, point it over. Get it!
Good job, Max.
Sit. Down. Roll over. Down. Roll over.
Wow, that's a good boy, Max.
Boy.
Can you do more tricks? Go find your toy. Oh, go find your toy, go. Max Boy, come here. Go find your toy. Oh, nobody gonna play you? Go, brother, and play. Show your tricks. Show your tricks, Max Boy. This one, guys, if you could see, this is the mulberry tree. They're already tall. This is not a year yet, so I bought this from the internet from the cuttings, and now it's very tall, very beautiful. I planted all the whole thing of this farm over here. Got a coconut tree, banana. So here's another banana right there. So pretty soon, like 5 months, no, not 5 months, maybe 2 to 3 months, that's gonna be ready to harvest too.